Hey, welcome back. We're getting down to the little finishing touches on the inside here. We have our little panels in, we got our mats back in. We got to tighten up a few bolts here and there and get ready to put the seats in. I got to put the plastic covers on the sides of them and play around with the slides and make sure that they move well. Everything else came out really good. Looks nice. Everything fit well. I'm real happy with the carpet and the installation. It came out really nice. Definitely worth the price to pay for some good stuff. We got our replacement covers. There's the original ones. And here's the new ones. The lines are so much crisper on the original ones. And these are just like vacuum formed, very simple, but I mean, I'm happy they have something, but I wish they would look more original. See if the holes line up. Guess what? They don't. Stretch. Just like everything else that's reproduction, a lot of it is no good. These things are too fat for the rocker side of the car, so I'm reusing some of the original ones here and the Reaper ones on the inside. Okay, we got all the seats in, we got a new battery installed. Had to play around with those sliders for the front seats to get them to work, but interior looks really nice. The seats are nice and plump and comfortable now. Actually a little uncomfortable for me because I'm a little big, so I have trouble fitting comfortably in the car, but it is not my car, it is my aunt's car, and I'm sure she is going to be driving her new time machine around in a high comfort mode. All right, it's finally time to scrape away 1987 and 1988. See if I can save this sticker. I doubt it. It's been dried on for too long. Goodbye, 1980s. That inspection was done at 25,376 miles. And now we got 26,692. Well, I spent a few hours buffing out the paint. This thing was resprayed in the early 80s. It's got a lot of flaws, there's little rust bubbles here and there, but from right here in this distance, it looks really good. So I touched up a bunch of little rock chips here and there. It's gonna get a coat of wax, clean up everything else, put the lug nut covers on and a couple other minor details, and this thing is ready to return to its home. All the little details are done. We got the car waxed. We got everything cleaned up. We got our lug nut covers on. We got a new state inspection from New York. And this baby's ready to hit the road. I gotta drive it around and work a few bugs out of it. Make sure everything is good. So thanks for watching.